Cloud. Hello friends, this is Arvind Gupta. Today we are going to learn VPC. VPC stands for the Virtual Private Cloud. Amazon gives this service and it allows us to define our own IP address as per the organizations. So we can define the IP address and the subnet using the VPC. And our virtual server will get the IP address from this VPC itself. So very simple. Let's go to the portal and see how we can create the VPC here. I'm going to sign in to the AWS portal. And we must log in with this root, that is sign in using the root user email, because root is a super user in the AWS. So I'm trying to log in to the Amazon portal. Okay, putting the password. Now, the Amazon has started a MFA code, that is a multi-factor authentication code. So we need to add it into the Google Authenticator and enter the code. Now in our case, we have this code. And now we are able to log in onto the portals. Amazon Cloud. Here what we have to do, just simply type VPC. Now we can see the VPC over here. Just click on this option VPC. And it is, just click on your VPC. We have a multiple VPC over here. Now we are going to create another. So click on the create VPC option, create VPC only, and just give it like Pune VPC. You are free to give any name. I'm giving the Pune VPC and just define the IP address. So you can define any IP address. This IP address will be helped by your organization, so you don't have to worry which IP address you have to select and type over here. I'm taking 192.168.0.0/16. So keep the rest option as default. Click on just create a VPC. Now we can see here we have created our VPC successfully. And if we go here, your VPC, then we can see the Pune VPC has been created successfully. Now next point is your subnet, like which subnet you are going to use. So just go to the subnet, click on create a subnet, and now it is asking to select the VPC. In which VPC you are going to create the subnet. Just click on here. You have created a Pune VPC, select this and scroll down, and it is asking to give this name. So just give the subnet name, the subnet, to name, any name you can give. And next point is like availability zone. So availability zone is nothing but it is a data center established by the Amazon. So we have three options here. We are free to choose any option. So we are selecting here the first one. You can select any one out of these. Now we can see this is the IP address, and now how much IP address we want. So we can just type here 0/0. This is our VPC IP address. Now, as per our requirement, so just if I type here like 26, I can see here like the 64 IP address available, but from 64, you have to subtract 5 always. The reason is that the true IP address. The first is for the network, last is for the broadcast. These 2 IP addresses are reserved and the 3 are reserved by the Amazons. So now 3 plus 2 is a 5. So you have to subtract 5 always from the IP address. So if we subtract 64 minus 5, we get a 59 IP address available. So now just simply click on the create a subnet. Now subnet has been created successfully. We can see here what name we have given over here, subnet Pune. If we slide it, then we can see very clearly the available IP address is 59, what we have discussed. I hope you all have understood. Thank you so much.